What enables you to obey?
Wherefore, my beloved, as ye have always obeyed, not as in my presence only, but now much more in my absence, work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. For it is God which worketh in you both to will and to do of his good pleasure.
We've touched on this before, but it needs to be said again. God is the one who gives you the power. He gives you both the desire and the ability to do what he asks you to do. Remember James chapter 2. Obedience, my friend, is the breath of life to your faith. Without it, your faith is dead. In Luke chapter 18, Jesus asked a simple question to those who were listening to him. A question that's still relevant to you today.
Nevertheless, when the Son of Man cometh, shall he find faith on the earth?
Jesus certainly is coming back very soon. In later lessons, we'll look at the Bible so you can see this truth for yourself. Jesus has asked if he will find faith on the earth when he returns. The question for you today, my friend, what condition will Jesus find your faith to be in when he returns? Alive and well or dead? The choice is yours. All you have to do is ask God for the strength to keep fighting the good fight of faith, and then do whatever he tells you to do. Amen.